Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of including client logos on Certificates of Analysis, COA, or test reports. As a first step, you need to upload the logo of your client. To do so, go to the Client Management module and select a client type from the drop-down menu. To add a new client, click Add Client and enter the required details, such as first name, last name, and email address. Under Client Image, press Upload and then choose File. Select the logo, press Open, and then Upload. Press Save to create the client record. If a client's record is already present, press Edit Client, and then upload the client's logo in the same way. Now switch to the Test Management module. Select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. Select the test record with which the client is associated and click Export as PDF. Enter a file name, a report title, and a subtitle. You can customize the report using the Formatting page, Advanced Options, and select the attributes you would like to see in the report. To include the client logo on COAs or test reports, tick Include Client Image. You can define the width, height, left margin, top margin of the image. You can choose to include the logo at the end of the report, above or below the report title, and decide its alignment. Alternatively, you can include the logo in line with the signature and select the preferred alignment from the drop-down menu. Now press Generate Report and stay to generate the report. If there are no further reports to generate, press Generate Report and close. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.